Hello everyone, welcome to Real Talk with Sandhya. In this video, I am going to share you the secret behind my English fluency. Okay, and how do you become a fluent speaker? How do you learn to speaking English? Four things, four secret. It is such a four very nice secret that helped me too much to become a fluent speaker. Okay, so first is listening. Listening is most important. Okay, I'll give you example. See, one childrens they are born in America, they are speaking English because they have a that type of the environment, they are living in a that type of the environments where everybody is speaking in English, so it is they always speaking in English, it is automatic things. And let's see, we are live in India, and our national language is Hindi, and our environment is like Hindi. Everybody is speaking in a Hindi, so we are learning Hindi. We are don't know how to speak English because we have a know that type of the environment. So we are speaking English. Okay, so it's okay. That means not we are don't speak English. We are speaking English, but we have a need to make our environment that type. So how do you make your environment that type? Means you have a need to listen. Listen a lot of the thing in English, because the children is live in America. They are always listening a English language. They already is speaking in English. So you have we know we have a know that type of the environment, but we have a need to make our environment that type. So it is I made my environment that type because I like I listen everybody's like English songs, English movies, English videos, English cartoon, English podcast, everything English. So I think you have a need to listen everything, anything, just English. Just you like to be see videos or movies, anything, just see in English. You have a need to like listen a lot of the podcast in English, everything in English. Okay, I know first time it is very hard for you to understand, but after all you understand it. Okay, and second is writing. Okay, what you listen in a podcast or movie or anything, just write it down one notebook. What and nothing, just you have no idea and you forget what you see in a video, it's okay. Just you write on a notebook anything in English, just what is going on your mind, anything in English. Okay, writing is also very important. And third is reading. Yeah, just read 1 and 2 pages in English, like English books. And you don't like to English book, just buy some very self-growth type of book, just buy and like read. So just reading is also important. Just read 1 and 2 pages and anything, just read. Okay, and fourth is speaking. It is one of the best and most important thing. If you are doing all of this thing, just listening, writing, and listening, writing, and reading, but if you are not practicing, means if you are not speaking, you don't become a fluent speaker. Yeah, because practice means speaking is very important. Just speak what you listen in a podcast, what you read in a book, and just read matlab just speak, because speaking is very important. Just practice what you learn. Okay, don't doesn't matter I know first time your English is not good, it's okay. Don't wait for a perfect English, just start it. Just right now I am speaking, just right now I am eating food, anything, just start to a small sentence, a small word, and after then you make a big sentence. Okay, so just start to speaking is also very important. And for me especially, I don't do writing and reading. I don't like to be reading or writing, so I just I just listen everything and just I practice. It is my things, like I do that type of the things. Okay, so if you don't like to be reading or writing, so just you listen and speak, two things, that is enough for you. Just listen, anything is English, and just speak, because practice is most important. You do everything, but you can't practice, you never become a fluent speaker. So just listen and practice is very important things. Okay, thank you. It is the fourth secret behind my English fluency, and may it help you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.